Hey guys, what's going on? Coming back at you with another one of the videos for the puzzle series. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this is puzzle number 4, and I think this is actually puzzle number 4 on the list. Could be wrong, but I think that's right. Anyways, I know I asked everybody to vote on which one would be next. My friend Aslan suggested I do this one next, so this is what I'm going to do next and keep working through these. If you've been following this series, basically these are photos that I took in my photography and had them turned into puzzles via Shutterfly. Shout out to Shutterfly. Come on, sponsor me guys. It's my 4th one of these. But yeah, just gonna do a time lapse of assembling this. Probably take 1 or 2 breaks throughout the time of assembling it. But really, I just want to jump in and just get started on it. So hope everybody's doing well, and let's get this thing going. And let me see real quick. You can see a close up there, and then in case it's not focusing there, we'll do one from the top down. All right. So this was from a photo shoot with my friend Nikki. Nikki and I have shot together quite a few times actually, and have become really good friends over the years through photo shoots. So if you've watched any of my cruise videos, that's actually Nikki that was with me on the cruise. Now this one's a little different from the ones I've done so far, in that all the other ones, the way I would separate out the pieces was I'd pull all the white pieces out because the entire background was white, and that ended up proving to be pretty difficult. I've still got a handful of more of those to get through. But this is going to be a different process because since I don't have a bunch of pieces that are just white to pull out, I don't know. Let me see. This is basically a lot of like reds, blacks, and dark tones basically. So I think what I'm going to do for this one a little differently is I'm going to try to complete the border first maybe. So I'm going to start pulling all those pieces aside, and then on my trays here, I guess I'll start separating out, you know, the reds with the dark colors on separate trays. And then once I've separated out the colors, then I'll probably separate out the style of the puzzle pieces. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So we'll do reds on that so that they're easier to see. And border pieces. Maybe I'll just slide all my border pieces to the side for now. And red here. Dark colors here. And you know what I will do? I'll use this blue tray for any of the ones where I can tell that it's actually Nikki in the photos.
Some days I can't decide if I should realize that I can't escape it, this undying fate, the moment of conscience that's here today. So hold fast if you still believe everything will come around if you could wait for me. If I surrender to the wind, baby, I will find a place to finally begin. So hold fast if you still believe everything will come around if you could wait for me. If I surrender to the wind, baby, I will find a place to finally begin.
right, getting down to the last couple of pieces here. I got, looks like 6 of them left on the board. So hope you guys have been enjoying this video so far. Of all the puzzle videos I've shot from this series, I think this might be the fastest one that I've done. Did it in like 4 evenings or 4 nights, I should say. But yeah, just like in the last ones, watch for a end screen, and on that end screen there's going to be what's left of the 10 puzzles, and you can choose and tell me in the comments which ones you think I should do next. And you know, go check out my website too. It's mmpstudios.com. I'll put the link in the bio. If you have any questions about how I film these videos, what equipment I use, you know, ask me that kind of stuff as well. I always try to include links to everything in the description so that you can have direct access to the same equipment I'm using. With that being said though, you don't have to have like all the super fancy equipment to do these types of things. You could just as easily do it with one camera, swap it out, and use it for the front view, the top view, whatever. I just happen to have a good collection of stuff, and so I just put it all to use when possible. So I know that the batteries were getting low on that camera, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to wrap this up. But yeah, let me know which one you guys want to see next. And here goes the last piece. So let's see if I can get this in here, because there's a lot of glare. Can't quite get it, but you'll see it on the top down. I'll put the top down view up of it right now. There's the top down view. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I don't really know what else to say. Oh yeah, as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget to hit that little bell. It does make sure that you get notifications every time I put up a video and not just some of the time. You can also follow me on my social media. All of that's also listed below. So, all right, till the next video. I'm looking forward to see which one you guys pick for me next. Later.